Okay, this tutorial is going to show you how to log directly into your own browser on your own computer with the Sands Secondary Middle School Google for Education account. This is specifically for teachers. So, in the Chrome browser, this only works for the Chrome browser, by the way. In the Chrome browser, in the top right hand corner, you may see a little picture that looks like a person, a little silhouette of a person. You're going to click on that and you'll see a little window, little panel that pops up that asks you if you want to sign into Chrome. This is going to sign you directly into the browser. This is not the same thing as signing in to any machine or any browser on any computer. So click on sign into Chrome and a familiar window will pop up and you will type in your Sands Secondary Middle School teacher account email. I'm going to sign directly in using the test account that I created specifically for these tutorials. Sands teacher at ssmsbda.org. Okay, it will recognize my account exists and it will ask me to type in my password. Okay, now this window will pop up and it says you are signing in with a managed account. A managed account basically just means that this account is exclusive to Sands Secondary Middle School, or it's an account that's being managed by some type of administrator within the Sands Secondary Middle School Google for Education domain. Okay, so what you're going to do is you want to create a new profile. You don't want to link data. You want to create a new separate profile. So click on create a new profile and this window will pop up. Now this may also pop up, this Google Hangouts. You can click on the X for now. Some services have already been pre-installed as for all the users in the Sands Google for Education account. You don't have to use them all, but some are there for you. Alright, now this window will appear. You can click OK, got it. Once you've read everything, it says your bookmark history and passwords will be synced to your Google account so you can use them in all your devices. So if you sign in to your phone or tablet using that same Google for Education email that you use to sign in to this, then everything will be synced across all your devices. So this is your own Google space. You have access to all your apps right here. You have access to your mail. And you also, what's different now is that you have some pre-installed managed bookmarks. Now these managed bookmarks are useful, just another way that you can use to get into any of your Google services. If you want to click on your Google Calendar, you want to get to your Google Calendar, you can get to it there, or you can use the apps launcher and get to it right there. It's going to take you to the same places. So this manage bookmarks folder is the same thing as this apps launcher for the most part. Now you can tell that this is your browser. This is your Sands Google space. This browser is basically yours. So you can go into anything on here and all this stuff, anything that you will save once you're logged in with this account will be saved on any other browser that you log into. Now you'll notice that when you sign in to the browser, I'll sign in again just to show you. create new profile. You'll notice that this opens up a brand new window. Now, why that's important is that what you can notice is you now have two windows open. You have your other Google window that was open. This is person 1, and you have this window open, which is person 2. Many people already have their own Gmail account, and if you want, you can sign in to this using your own personal Gmail account. Okay, and what will happen is you'll just have two windows that are open. Now, what I do is I like to just quick switch back and forth. Again, I am using the Mac system. I'm using the Mac OS X system, High Sierra, but there's a similar switching method for Windows. And once you get used to it, it's very quick. You can switch back and forth if you need to do something in your own, like reply to your own personal email. You can you can go to your own personal one. Or if you need to do something in the school's email, the school system, you can go back in here and switch in here. You can also change this to say Sans account, or you can call it my Sans account. You can call it whatever you want. You can give it a little picture, just something that is easier to see once you click up here, or a little icon that you'll know this is the Sans account or this is my personal account. And you can always switch back and forth. It's very easy. Okay, so this has been the tutorial on how to sign directly into your own browser on your own machine.